Hey guys, how are you? So I was just getting ready to go on my trip tomorrow and I received my Ipsy. I'm so happy. It was supposed to come tomorrow, the day I am flying out to Chicago. So I thought I'd have to wait like another week until I could show you guys, but here it is. I'm super excited. If you do not know, Ipsy is only $10 a month and it is freaking awesome. Last month was my favorite bag ever. I loved it. It was all makeup items. It was perfect. I don't expect this one to be as good, but I'm hoping like that good streak continues because it was seriously awesome. So I think I did look at my sneak peek briefly, but I tried not to look at everything, but I did get a glimpse of the bag. So this is the bag this month. Oh, I guess I didn't even realize there was little hearts all over it. So each month you get a different bag. Super cute. You can use it to like store your makeup and stuff like that. I've kind of accumulated a lot of these, but usually I send them, the giveaway winners. I host a lot of giveaways pretty frequently. I usually put the goodies inside these bags so someone else can get some use out of them. This one's pretty cute. I like heart stuff, so let's get unbagging. So hopefully I don't miss too many days of filming. I'm going to Chicago tomorrow, like I said, for a wedding, and I'm actually driving a car back, so I don't know my exact return date, but once I know, of course, I'll let you guys know. But anyways, there is a card in the box, let's see, or in the bag. It says, Happy Friendsgiving, say what you're thankful for in 5 emojis and go. Oh, that's kind of cute. Okay. It says, this month we're feeling #blessed for so many reasons, like pumpkin spice lattes, besties, puppies, and pizza. But most of all, we're thankful for all our awesome Ipsters like you. And here's some perks to make your month even more glam. So I guess you get like 30% cash back on a lot of items, so that's cool. Anyways, one item already fell out, so... Oh, it looks like it's nail polish. I've never received nail polish in an Ipsy before. I actually have to paint my toes still before I go. I'm getting my actual nails done in Chicago before the wedding. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wear tights with my dress because it's freaking 28 degrees there today. It's 86 where I am, so it's gonna be a huge shocker. I just got my dresses in the mail. I haven't tried them yet. I might actually film that later, but okay, I'll stop rambling. Point is, I might need to paint my toes later just in case they show, but again, it's like snowy there, so. And, whoa, I see wine on here. Wine with ice, it's called, I think. And what brand is this? Pretty Woman? Yeah, normally I would not be excited to get nail polish, but right now I am. Oh my gosh, yes. Because I only have like a bright pink that I have on my toes right now, and it's just like appropriate for Florida, but it's not really appropriate for like the rest of the country because it's freaking cold and not summery. So it is like a wine color. Oh my god, I seriously am doing my toenails tonight. Oh my god, whoa, it's like a deep wine color. So yeah, I'm probably gonna use this later. Normally I'd be like, meh, I don't really do my own nails, but my toes I will be doing. So I'm really glad I am procrastinated and have not done that yet. The one thing I wish Ipsy did have was the information sheet on all the products. It doesn't, but you can always log into your account online and it tells you more about it and how to use it, like some tips and stuff. So at least they have that. And I guess it's a little bit more environmentally friendly, right? But they do send this, but this is just like one for everyone. I don't know. Anyways, this is pretty cool packaging. Look at this. This is Pistachio Skincare. It's pistachio body butter. It's hydrating. I'll bring this in my trip because my skin is gonna suffer. When I was in Chicago last month, it was so dry. My skin just really loves the Florida humidity. I think it just is a lot healthier here. So yeah, this is pretty cool packaging too. I've gotten a face mask that looked like this before. So I wear lotion every day, face and body. I'm all about moisturizing. I think I heard it like on an Oprah episode as a child that it helps with aging, and I've just been kind of obsessed, and I think it's true. I think it really is good for your skin. So far so good, even though it's not all makeup. I'm okay with that body butter. And what's this? Oh, and this is a mascara, Punk Volumizer mascara. I like the colors of it. I am not gonna open this and show you guys the wand because I have so many open mascaras, you know they go bad, and I'm trying to be better about it, but I really want to. So this is by the band, like, I always want to call it Douche, but it's like Douce or Deuce or something. I don't know. I don't know if you can read it. It's D-O-U-C-C-E, and I'm such a child. I'm like, Douche? No, it's not Douche. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna show you guys the wand. Ooh, this is a huge wand. Look at that. maybe I'll just pack it, because if you can see, there's like a huge mess behind me. I'm trying to figure out what makeup to bring. I'm actually getting my makeup done before the wedding, which is cool, so I don't have to worry about that day. My hair, my nails, and my makeup, so all I have to do is hopefully throw on a dress that works. I just got 2 in the mail, like I said, and I really, really hope they work. But, so yeah, I'm just gonna toss this in my makeup pile over here and keep on going. What is this? This is Lock Color, a waterproof eyeliner, and it's in Pearl Brown. And this is definitely full size. So, I don't think I mentioned this. Usually Ipsy is like deluxe size samples, but sometimes you do get a full size. Oh, and this is a twist up too. I really like that. This is actually a cool color. Yeah, I can see myself using this more like in my waterline. It says waterproof. I like that. It's very smooth. Okay, I'm happy with this. I know a lot of people like getting black, but you know, how much black eyeliner can you have? I mean, you're probably one of those wing women, then you guys like it, but I don't do that, so I like this for my waterline. I'm super excited about that. And then the last thing I see, right on my last product, my camera stopped working. Okay, when I first started watching YouTubers, I was always like, why the hell are their cameras not like stopping all the time? Like, can't they prepare for that and stuff? But no, I get it now. Like, for right now, it said my SD card was full. When you film every single day, pretty much, that happens quickly, but I guess I should check. So sorry, I don't really know where I left off, but I think it was right when I pulled out my 5th product. And I was saying this is the MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Base, and this is in Radiant Yellow, and I believe I've gotten this like in a Macy's box before, and it was maybe a little too yellow for me, but let me see. So this is like just like a primer based thing. So see, it's kind of like yellow. Oh, I put way too much. I hate when I waste a lot of product. But yeah, it blends in my skin fine. I'll try it out again. So, because I seriously do prep my face all the time. And okay, I know this is off topic and not related to this box, but I opened my Play by Sephora box probably like 2 days before you're watching this, and I got this thing that was like a CC cream by Herborian, and I didn't really understand because it's like white, but it's a CC cream, and I was like, is this a primer? I used it and it seriously blurs your imperfections. Like, I put foundation over it, but you could just wear it alone even though it's not really tinted. I've only used it once, but I can't get enough of this. I already put it in my pile to pack because it works so well. So I just wanted to tell you guys a little update on that one. But anyways, so I think this is a good month. Like, normally I wouldn't be too pumped about the nail polish, and this is definitely like a full-size nail polish. This will last forever. Like, have you ever run out of nail polish? I personally haven't, but I don't do my own nails too often. I feel like this kind of matches what I have on now, but it's like a little darker. It's perfect for these cold weather months. I'm excited because I'm going to remember to pack moisturizer, which I might have forgotten for my trip where it's freaking cold, and I'm all about that. So I love getting moisturizers, especially body ones. I feel like I get more for my face. I really do like this eyeliner that I put on my hand. I think this will be definitely good even in the waterline. So this is in like Pearl Brown. And it does have like a little shimmer effect. I don't know if I mentioned that, but I really like that. That goes with a lot of like neutral eye looks. The mascara, the wand looks pretty cool. I'm gonna bring that and try that out on my trip. And then the base. So I feel like I've tried it before, like I said. I can't really remember my thoughts on it, so I'm looking forward to trying it out. But yeah, and here is the bag it all came in. So thank you for watching. I love Ipsy so much. This isn't my all-time favorite bag. Last month was, which I'll link below if you want to see that. It was so good. But I'm really happy with this month. I've been happy with all my boxes I've gotten this week. So if you're new here, I post pretty much daily. Like I've mentioned probably too many times, I am going on a trip soon, so I post every day besides when I'm traveling. And I try and pre-film, but there's only so many boxes you can get, you know, before you go. So hopefully when I come back from Chicago, I'll have a bunch and I'll get back to filming daily. So I would love to have you if you want to hit that like button and subscribe. It would make my day. But anyways, thank you again for being here, and I will hopefully see you tomorrow. Bye.